The Culvert-Bridge Management System maintains your culvert and bridge records. The system interfaces with Daily Crew Worksheet and Garage and Parts Inventory systems. The State of Ohio CR87 Culvert Inventory Form and CR86 Inspection Form can be entered and maintained in this system. Latitude and longitude values can be retrieved from geocoded photos or by using a GPS receiver. A Quick Start menu will be displayed when you start the program. The Quick Start menu contains most of the options required for running the program. Select System Variables form from the Quick Start menu, or you can also select the System Variables form from the System menu. The System Variables form stores the name of the data folder containing the data files used by the system and other options for the program. The data location can be changed by clicking on the Select Directory button. The Select Directory button will allow you to navigate on your system to the folder containing the data files. Select your preference for the other choices available on the form and press Confirm to save your responses. The Data Entry drop-down menu allows access to all data files used by the Culvert-Bridge Management System. The main data entry form is the Culvert-Bridge Master File form. This is the file that will contain all the bridge and culvert records. Inspections are maintained in the Culvert Inspection File form. The Data Entry drop-down menu also allows maintenance of the Road Master File, the table files associated with it, and the Township Master File. Options are available for importing culvert bridge records and inspection records that have been entered at a different location. The Culvert-Bridge Master File form has been in use for many years. The original form consisted of the first 3 pages of the current data entry form. The Ohio Department of Transportation CR87 Culvert Inventory Report was added to the form in 2009. Rather than change the original 3 pages of the form, the CR87 was added to the existing form. Some fields on the first 3 pages of the form are duplicated on the CR87 form. The values for these fields will appear both on the CR87 pages and in the original location of the field. During this same modification, the data entry form was modified so bridges could also be maintained in the file. The GPS page was then added to maintain a geocoded photo and the latitude and longitude values. Page 2 of the form allows extended notes to be maintained. Page 3 of the form will display up to 4 pictures and their captions. Page 4 of the form contains fields 1 through 29 of the CR87 form. Page 5 of the form contains fields 30 through 49 of the CR87 form. The fields on the CR87 form are described in detail in the Culvert Management Manual of the Ohio Department of Transportation. The GPS page of the Culvert-Bridge Master File form also allows you to attach a picture to the record. If a picture is selected on this page of the form, the latitude and longitude attached to the picture is retrieved from the picture file and stored in the record. If you are entering the record at the location of the culvert or bridge and have a GPS receiver communicating with your computer, you can click the Retrieve GPS Location button on the page and the latitude and longitude will be stored in the record. A beginning and ending location can be stored. If you have an internet connection, the physical address of the location will be retrieved using Google Maps. The Culvert Inspection File form allows you to enter inspections for the culverts in your Culvert-Bridge Master File. This is the Culvert Inspection File form. Drop-down selection values are available for all fields on this form. This form was developed by the Ohio Department of Transportation. Please refer to their Culvert Management Manual. The Road Master File is used by most of the public government software systems. This file contains a record for each road section in your jurisdiction. The Road Class Table File and Road Surface Type Table File forms are used for creating valid lists of classes and surface types. These fields are maintained in the Road Master File. The last 2 menu options on the Data Entry drop-down menu allow you to import culvert bridge records or import culvert inspection records. When importing records into either file, you will be required to select the file you are importing from. Other reports available on the Reports menu include reports based on all the other files used by the sign management system. For information on these reports, go to Help About and click on the Help button. Report selections will be displayed if you select File, Print Reports, or select Reports from the top menu. Let's take a look at the Culvert-Bridge Master File reports. When you select a particular report from the menu, a selection screen will be displayed. This is the Culvert-Bridge Master File report selection screen. Here you may enter a range of values for various fields to be included on the report. You may also select a report type and the order for the report. You can send the report to the printer or the screen. You also have the option of creating a PDF file or an XLS file. On this selection screen, I have chosen to include only Route 9. I have entered 009 in the From and To values in the Route field. The From and To values for the Route field can be selected from the Road Master File by pressing the F10 key while your cursor is in the From or To field. The default From and To values on the selection screen will be the smallest and largest values for the field, respectively. On the Culvert-Bridge Master File report selection screen, you can choose to include culverts, bridges, or all records. I have chosen to include just culverts. I've chosen the one-line format report type, and I'm going to sort the report by material, so the report order is material. I'll click on the Screen button and send the report to the screen. This is a sample of a screen report. A toolbar will be displayed that will allow you to go to the top or the bottom or the next or the previous page. You may also choose to display 1, 2, or 4 pages at a time. Select a larger or smaller percentage to increase the size of the print or decrease the size of the print. You may also choose to send the report to the printer by clicking the picture of the printer. If you do not see the toolbar on your screen report, right mouse click to display a pop-up menu and left click on Toolbar. The second option on the report menu contains culvert inspection reports. On the Culvert Inspection Report selection screen, I have chosen to include inspections that were done on 3/31/2014. Therefore, I have entered 3/31/2014 in the From and To values of the inspection date. This is a sample of the Culvert Inspection Report. The report menu also contains listings of the other files used by the Culvert-Bridge Management System. The System menu contains the standard options found in all SoftWorks applications. SoftWorks has been working with county engineers, highway departments, and other government offices since 1984. This program is a product of the ideas and suggestions of many of our valued customers.